Give recognition to your students by providing a nice certificate after successfully completing a course with the Academy LMS Certificate Addon. First, make sure you have both A-Blocks and the Academy LMS plugin installed and active on your website. In this video, I will show you how to design and assign a certificate to a course in Academy LMS. First, go to the add-on list from the Academy LMS dashboard, then enable the Certificates add-on. The pre-made certificates will appear on the certificate page instantly. We can edit the certificate as per our needs. Here, I just updated the content. Now, let's set a primary certificate. Now, it will be the primary certificate for all of our courses. Now let's assign a certificate to a course. From the course list, click Edit to activate the certificate. Click the Activate button to activate the primary certificate for the course. Here's the preview of the certificate. We have full flexibility to change, deactivate, or remove a certificate from a course. Just click Update to save. Let's design a certificate from scratch. Click the Add New Certificate button to design a new certificate from the Certificates page. Give it a name for our certificate. From the Certificate Background tab, let's tweak it using a ready-made background. Configure the page size and set the page orientation to Portrait or Landscape as per your need. Customize the container width and adjust the content with padding. I want to add a custom background of my choice. I just select my pre-designed background. Now it's time to add certificate content with the Academy Certificate text block. We can represent content in this text field as static content or dynamic content by using dynamic parameters. There are 6 dynamic parameters to represent dynamic data, like learner name, course title, instructor name, course vendor name, completion date, and unique verification ID. I just add the certificate heading first as static content and set it to center align, tuning the typography and color from the Style tab. Now I have added a spacer to adjust the space between content. Next, we will add a dynamic parameter to add the learner's name dynamically. The same process is followed to add more content. Now, I have added a dynamic value for the course completion date. To verify the certificate, add a verification ID using a parameter. We have the power to customize even more from the Advanced tab as needed. Now it's time to publish our newly created certificate. And here is the preview of our newly created certificate. Let's add the certificate to a course. To add it, click Edit and go to the Certificate section. I have selected our created certificate for this course and activated it. After that, just update it. And here is the preview of our newly created certificate. Let's see how a student will get a certificate after completing a course. From the student dashboard, when a student successfully completes a course, they will instantly get the certificate to download or print. That's how we can design a certificate and assign it to a course to acknowledge students with a stunning certificate. Thank you for being with this video. Subscribe to continue getting updates.